Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, Dan vs Food. Today, me and my mum. Hello. We've rented a motorbike. It's nice and early. Well, actually, it's now 9 o'clock in the morning. So our plan is to drive around Koh Phangan Island. That's where we are at the moment. We haven't really got a proper plan, but we know that we want to go to a beach. We want to eat some seafood at some point, and see a waterfall. And we're just going to explore the island and see what we see. We're now at Common Ground Cafe. It's about 15 minutes drive from where we were staying, near the main pier area actually. And this place is really nice. The menu looks great. I've ordered an iced Americano, but they do smoothies and juices and loads of breakfast stuff, sandwiches, salads. And they also have a pool. Ever seen a cafe with a pool before? Okay, right. So I need coffee desperately in my life now, so I'm gonna drink a coffee and then we're gonna hit the road. Cucumber and lemon, actual proper lemon as well, which is rare here. Yeah, there you go. You can have that. But here is my iced Americano. Oh yeah, okay.
Healthy cheers.
Cheers, healthy breakfast, healthy morning, healthy life.
I can taste the cucumber.
Really strong and really beany. It's almost like it's like burnt a little bit. Okay, right. Pretty much just gonna down this coffee and then we're gonna head off. Okay. See you on the road. Wow, I'm all caffeined up. Down that coffee. I'm really tempted to get another one, but I'm more tempted to have a little paddle in this pool. Literally, I can't resist it. Check this out. What a beautiful place. Oh yeah. Wow. I'm not going to go all the way in, but yeah. Just this is good enough. What a beautiful, lush area. So I have actually just checked on the maps because I haven't got 4G. So I'm using the Wi-Fi here, and I've got the kind of route in my head of where we're going to go. We're going to go up the left side of the island, so up the west coast, make our way all the way to the top, and then there is a road that cuts basically through north to south, and there are 2 or 3 different waterfalls there and just a bunch of other awesome things to see. So that's kind of our plan, but we're in no rush. We're just going to take our time, go to a couple of beaches and just check out a load of different stuff. Yeah, this is just lovely. Oh yes, great coffee. Really nice.
Thank you for your contribution.
Yeah.
Our customer hope to see you here again and have a good time on Koh Phangan, sir.
Thanks so much. You too.
Bye bye.
Okay. And that coffee was only 70 baht, so 2 coffees, £3. Amazing. Proper buzzed up now. 100% needed that. Yeah, so we're going to start driving. And the sea is literally to the left of us, not far, probably half a kilometre. We're sort of on a bit of an inland road at the moment, but beautiful area. The temple, yeah. Temples, palm trees, chilled, relaxed roads. Oh, I absolutely love driving on these roads. So relaxing. Barely any traffic, just super chilled. Oh yeah. Beautiful. All those coconuts.
Oh my god, yeah. This is absolutely amazing. I never in a million years would have thought that I'd be travelling around Koh Phangan Island on the back of a bike with my son.
I didn't thought that either,
exactly.
actually. But I'd never like properly get you on a bike.
I know.
But,
I was
yeah.
what was I like the first time, Dad? And I was so scared. I can't even tell you. Now I don't have to hold hands.
Just look at how beautiful this is here. Oh man. And these roads are literally, it's like you've got your own private racetrack almost. Even though we're going at 15 miles an hour or less than that. But super chilled roads.
Well, this is like the main road, isn't it? But
yeah, one of the main ones that go around the island. It's like a circuit of the island. Thai food. Oh, another bike.
How
Wow.
big's this island anyway, miles wide, do we know?
No, I'm not sure. It's not very big though. Really small island. Not many tourists here at the moment. I would recommend coming, but yeah, if you want like just pure peace and tranquility, then yeah, you should come here. Well, bit of a hill.
Bit of a hill, that's what I don't like. Oh,
Oh, it's fine.
really scary.
Got good brakes, very, very good brakes. It's a Honda. Yeah, Honda's never let me down, never.
Don't say that. Make bloody last words.
Right, so we've just parked up. We've just found this really, really nice looking resort. Let me check out these like stilted bungalows here. And there's like small hills just behind. Oh, it looks so damn good. Peaceful to the beach. Wow, wow, wow. As soon as I see this beach, I'm instantly gonna want a cocktail. But my mum will probably be like, "There's no way you're having a cocktail over here on a motorbike." This is what you call a beach, right? Fantastic. Oh. Could probably just spend the whole day here, to be honest with you. That is crystal clear water, that is. It is very warm. The water is so warm. So from back there in the distance, looking in this direction, it looked like there was a natural sand sort of path going to that island, but no, it's not. So damn it, it just looks like a perfect little beach over there. Can't see anyone. Private island beach, which we probably can't get to. I mean, I could probably manage it, but my mum, she'll just be like trying to get through this water with her bag and stuff. Oh well, okay. We'll probably just, I need another coffee, actually. I do need another one. Oh, I've already had two, haven't I? Oh well. So we have in fact decided to get some food here, some breakfast. We've just seen, or met some German people here, and their breakfast looks absolutely amazing. So what we're gonna get, what we getting?
We're getting avocado toast 3 ways.
And it's 290 baht, so we're gonna share that. I actually can't resist. Waiting for the food, waiting for my drink. So I'm gonna get in the sea. So calm. It's like a lake. Look at it. Literally, I can't see any waves. In fact, I've seen lakes more rough than this. Love a good beach. So here's the orange coffee soda drink. Something new for me. Let's try it.
Good.
That is really good.
This is the best smoothie I've had on the island. It's absolutely delicious.
What is it again?
It's banana.
Oh, banana. Can I try?
Yeah.
Just want to sip.
It's gorgeous.
Looks like coconut. It's like so white.
It's quite sweet.
Alright.
Really good, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty damn good. But this is better though. I absolutely love this drink.
Have you not seen it anywhere before?
You should try it as well.
I don't like coffee.
Yeah, but it's not really coffee.
Oh, that's what Emmett says to me.
Just try it.
Mum,
No,
try
seriously.
this. It's like good. Oh.
Nice.
I can't taste the coffee.
Yeah, there's not that much coffee in there, is there?
No.
Mostly, you can see the orange juice in the bottom there.
Yeah.
I don't know whether
you meant to mix it up.
stir it up.
Shall I mix it up for you?
Yeah, it's like
That's
really
actually okay.
after. Well, our food's been served, and look at that. Oh, avocado on toast 3 ways. We've got avocado and bacon, avocado and egg, and then avocado with small, tiny cherry tomatoes, and then big sliced tomatoes, and looks like feta cheese on there, balsamic vinegar, and half a passion fruit. Check it out.
And 290 baht for that.
290
which is how much?
About £7, £6-7. Oh, yeah, can't wait to tuck into this. Okay, you want to go first?
Oh, let me have the first mouthful. Oh my god, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's very good.
That is amazing.
Okay.
So Daddy's first bite.
Yep. My bite. Get a big chunk of that bacon. Oh wow.
I think the crunchy bread.
Yeah.
That's so good.
Oh my god. Wow. I need another one right away. Literally amazingly delicious. I'm going to go in for a piece of this.
Go on then.
So crunchy. A massive mouthful. Oh no, the feta cheese is falling off. Hopefully it stays on. Okay, right.
Wow. How did you do that? Good? Yeah.
Yep. Very good. It's all over my lip. That's next level avocado and toast, that is.
Yeah. I think you're right.
Awesome breakfast. All right, everyone. So, yeah, we're just going to finish off this, relax, and also finish our drinks, which, I don't know, this is literally like possibly my new favourite drink. Super delicious. And then, yeah, we're going to head off in a little while. Okay. Completely smashed that avocado on toast and that awesome drink as well. Total bill 450 baht. Just amazing. So my mum just wanted to go to the toilet. She's just shown me they only have these squat ones. Squat one there and a bucket of water. Another one there as well. She's like, why do they have a proper toilet here? Why do they have a proper toilet?
Right, I'm going to go. Danny, wait for me.
All right.
And there's my board.
Good luck. Good luck.
Wait.
She's funny.
Yeah.
She needs a poo as well. What's she saying? Oh my. You're joking. Oh my god. I'll leave you to it. I'll leave her to it. How was it?
Oh my god. Don't even ask. Don't even go there.
Don't even go there.
That was absolutely horrible.
You were like 10 minutes. What are you doing?
It took me 10 minutes to get off the damn thing.
You're not supposed to sit on it.
What, aren't you?
Did you sit on it?
Yes.
Oh my god.
What are you meant to do
You're supposed to squat over
Oh
it.
god, if I squatted on, I fell down the bloody thing.
You sat on it.
I did sit on it.
Jesus. Alright, let's go. Right, now we're almost at the most northerly point of Koh Phangan, I think. It's like a cove to the left, mountain ahead of us. Not sure where the waterfall is though. I haven't seen any signs for a waterfall. Is 7-Eleven open?
No. Is it?
No.
Closed. Oh, so sad. That mountain's pretty high, isn't it?
Yeah. Very high. Love it.
Yeah.
The little lake road.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh wow, look at this little road.
I smell fish.
Yeah, I can smell fish.
Fishing boats, maybe. Fishing boat here. It's definitely smelly around here.
Oh god, that stinks.
Oh wow.
Done it.
Yeah. Really smelly.
Don't go on that pier thing, no.
No, we want to drive to the end of it.
What? Oh, shut up, Daniel. Please. Oh my god.
Oh, that's probably why it smells. All the dry.
Oh my god, they're drying it all.
Drying it out. The little baby squids.
Oh my god. The colour of that sea.
Proper turquoise that is, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely.
How far we can go. Right, hold on.
Oh, no way. Stop it. I actually thought you were going to do that then. Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, no.
Oh god.
No, Daniel.
Hold on.
No.
Hold on.
No, because there's sand on the road.
There's no sand, it's
Oh my
okay.
god. There's a car coming. Please, Daniel, stop it.
Hold on.
Please.
Let's see how far we can get.
No.
Going to the from the side door.
Your seafood platter already. And then
Look at this. It's just going to be soft and everything, so here we go.
It's good.